Hi guys, in this video we are going to be stripping down a battered Volkswagen Passat boot lid for a better one. So please subscribe and enjoy the video. A good condition one, as this boot lid has some dents that you can't see, maybe in a better light. Yeah, better light. And obviously it's got some like scuff marks, dents, all that stuff around it. So we're going to be replacing this boot lid for a brand new one. So let's get to it.
The sunlight is... There we go.
I can't even see what I'm looking at. You got a picture of it.
You look very shiny though, can't I?
I don't even know what I'm looking at. Has to be cake for that.
That was so easy, wow.
Do you see my technique the way I did it though?
No.
What is also the boot notch? Funny. This geezer. Support the channel as much as you can and that is watch the videos.
Set up a subscribe, please. Thank you. It means nothing. As the wiper motor removed. Hi. Bye. Let's go close up now. This man's struggling.
What to do?
He's broken my LED. Number plate lights.
I see. So this is the boot lock. There's only two bolts, one plug, that's it, it's out. Trim, there's one piece trim here. Pop this down and we're going to try to get to the back of this without dropping the headline completely off. So let's get that done. Should not be that hard to actually get down. Should be just a couple of clips here and just like that.
A bit of persuasion.
Bit of persuasion.
Can't
Yeah,
speak.
just don't keep your boot lid in the car when you're doing it. That's it. Bastard! Can I keep this wheel since I'm really weak?
Huh?
Can I keep this wheel?
You don't want it. Look at the state of it.
The brand new wheel?
No, it sounds scuffed as well around the edges.
That's not that bad.
The tyre's alright. It's a brand new tyre that, but it's a flipping all-terrain tyre, isn't it? Or is it a snow tyre? I think it's a snow tyre. Yeah, I'll hold it up.
No.
You put it on.
It's standard tyre. Winter tyre. It's not so much winter tyre.
Oh no, the protection's gone as
That fucking hurts more, man.
Oh no.
Keep laughing, you dickhead.
It's all on video.
Did you actually look at it?
Yeah. Well, I don't know if I caught your head bit, but
Things I do for YouTube, man. I don't even have to record it, I record it anyways. That one's gonna be more for. Can I keep locking up?
no.
I can't be asked anymore. I'm done with the car.
You only just started, boy.
I only just started.
Hey, hey, hey.
Alright, I'm coming back. I need to get some more better than this. This side can open this side. Which one is the bro? Look at this.
Whoa. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. This car's a minter.
Right, so we've just found out that there's 2 bolts behind this cover, and we've also decided we are not going to unplug it from here, but we're going to take all this harness off and basically put it through these little place you can tuck it in through, pull it all out, and then basically swap it out with the new boot lid that we're going to be putting on. And yeah, so we're just going to be doing that. Half the wagon out. Nice and easy. So.
Yes, done. Job's done. What a beautiful job done to this car. Wow.
Madness that, you know, that's crazy.
I'm glad I'm changing this out.
That's actually really crazy. Bro, you would never have to open your boot. Nice. 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 We are gonna be taking these 2 bolts off and these 2 bolts off. You might not be able to get footage because it's a 2-man job, so the cameraman's gonna help me. But you gotta take them off on both sides, have someone hold it up, and then once you have someone hold it up, just loosen these 2 bolts, get 2 people to hold it, and then just pull it off, and that's it. Right, so this is what the boot lid looks like. Off, completely off. It looks absolutely weird. And this is the old boot. Looks shit.
Hey.
I didn't do that.
Hey, you just did.
And this is the new one. Right, so we've got the new boot lid on. So use the new boot lid with no lights, and it says Passat, not us. So let's get this installed properly and sort these mess of wires out. This is the Passat boot lid installed. I hope this helped for all of you guys out there that are watching, and if it did, please subscribe and comment down below if you've had a job take longer than expected. I know this one took forever.